Hi friends! If you're enjoying your golden years like me and looking for a fun, healthy way to stay active, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're baking soft, low-fat steamed buns that are just as nourishing as they are delicious. Baking at home is one of the best hobbies in retirement. It keeps your hands busy, your mind sharp, and your heart full. Whether you're new to baking or picking it back up, this recipe is simple, satisfying, and perfect for sharing. Let's roll up our sleeves and make something warm, homemade, and good for us. First, we're going to make our dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the following: 1,000 grams of plain flour, 10 grams of baking powder, 10 grams of yeast, 20 grams of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. This gives our buns a beautiful golden color. Now slowly add in 550 grams of water while mixing until a soft dough forms. Use your hands or a dough hook if you prefer. Once everything comes together, let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. This gives the gluten a chance to relax. After resting, knead the dough again until it becomes smooth and elastic. This can take about 5 to 8 minutes by hand. Then divide it into 30 equal portions, about 55 grams each. Flatten each piece and roll it out to about 10 centimeters in diameter, making the center slightly thicker than the edges. Let these rest for another 3 minutes while we prepare the filling. Now heat your wok or pan and add 45 grams of coconut oil and 45 grams of oil. Once hot, add 10 grams of minced ginger and sauté until fragrant. Add the sliced vegetables, season with 10 grams of salt and 4 grams of white pepper. Mix well. Once the mixture is cooled slightly, stir in 30 grams of sesame oil and the glutinous rice paste. Mix until everything is evenly coated and glossy. That's your filling done. Now it's time to assemble. Take one piece of your rested dough and place about 45 grams of filling in the center. Carefully fold the edges up and pleat to seal it like a bao bun, or just pinch it closed and turn it seam side down for a simpler look. Place each bun on a piece of parchment or steaming paper. Once all 30 are done, lightly mist them with water and place them in an 80 degrees Celsius warm oven for 10 minutes to help them rise. Make sure to leave the oven door slightly ajar using a cloth glove. This prevents overheating. Bring a large steamer to a full boil. Place your buns inside, leaving space between each one for expansion. Steam on high heat for 8 minutes, then lower to medium heat and steam for another 5 minutes. Keep a small gap in the steamer lid by inserting a chopstick. This helps prevent the buns from becoming too soggy. And there you have it, soft, flavorful steamed buns made right in your own kitchen. If you're retired like me, baking isn't just about food, it's a way to stay active, creative, and healthy. Making low-fat, plant-based recipes like this is fun, rewarding, and great for your well-being. So why not put on your apron and start playing with dough? Your body and soul will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more feel-good recipes made with love. Happy baking, friends. See you in the next one.